Hello everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your hair and felt frustrated because it's not growing, it keeps breaking, your edges are thinning, or no matter what you try, nothing seems to work? You are not alone. A lot of people are using expensive products filled with chemicals, yet their hair is still not growing. But today I'm going to show you something different, something natural, something powerful, something that has been used for generations but many people are still sleeping on it. Today we are going to be making a powerful hair growth spray. And trust me, this is not just a random DIY. This is a combination of herbs that work directly on your scalp, your follicles, and your hair strength. So stay with me because by the end of this video, you will understand why your hair is not growing, how to fix it naturally, and how to use this spray the right way. Before we continue, if you enjoy simple natural recipes like this and want more hair care videos like this, take a second to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's start with our first ingredient, which is Zobo leaf. Most people only know Zobo as a drink, but for hair it's extremely powerful. Zobo contains high levels of vitamin C and amino acid. Those are the building blocks of your hair. Now let's break this down in a simple way. Your hair is made of protein, mainly keratin. When your body lacks enough nutrients, your hair becomes weak, dry, and easy to break. This is where Zobo leaf comes in. Zobo helps to strengthen the hair shaft, reduce breakage, improve elasticity. That means your hair will stop snapping when you comb it. Our second ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is not just popular, it is scientifically known for hair growth. Here is what rosemary does. It improves blood circulation to your scalp. And why is that important? Because your hair follicle needs oxygen and nutrients. Without good blood flow, your hair simply cannot grow properly. Think of your scalp like farmland. If water is not reaching this way, nothing grows. Rosemary is like turning on the water supply. Rosemary is also known to reduce hair thinning, help regrow edges. So if you are struggling with front hair loss, weak edges, this ingredient is very important. Our last ingredient is clove. Clove contains a powerful compound called eugenol. This compound stimulates the scalp, increases blood circulation, fights bacteria and fungi. If you have dandruff, itchy scalp, or slow growth, clove will fix that. Now imagine this: Zobo leaf straighten your hair, rosemary activates growth, and clove stimulates your scalp. This is not just a spray, this is a complete hair treatment system in liquid form. Now let's go deeper into preparation. Not just basic step, but where each step matters. Use 2 teaspoons of Zobo leaf, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of clove. Balance is important so your scalp does not get irritated. Pour in 1.5 cup of water and boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't overboil because if you do, you will destroy the nutrients in it and the mixture will become too strong. After boiling, turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely before use. Strain these mixtures to remove all particles. You are left with a smooth liquid. Transfer it into a clean spray bottle. If you are finding this helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel and I will keep bringing you more natural and effective hair care recipes. Now how to apply. Section your hair. Spray directly on your scalp and massage for 5 minutes. Massaging is very important because it boosts blood flow, pushes nutrients into the follicles. Zobo leaf also have natural acid that help balance your scalp. If your scalp is too dry, too oily, Zobo helps bring it back to normal. Rosemary helps improve blood circulation to the scalp. Better circulation means your hair follicles receive more nutrients, which support hair growth and thickness. Clove helps stimulate the scalp and reduce dandruff. They also support healthier hair growth from the root. This mixture have no preservative, so keep in the fridge and use between 5 to 7 days. With this mixture, you will start to notice less hair breakage, softer hair, new growth, fuller hair, and a thicker edge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.